Hi guys, we are in Dumaguete. Now we just arrived in the airport and I don't know if we gonna catch the boat. We have a delayed flight. Now we are in arrival. It was a smooth, but I don't know what to expect. Let's see. See you later. So like I said, we arrived in Dumaguete. We are now in the port. So there was an arrangement for the shuttle service and everything went so smooth with our luggage. And then, hi, yes, thank you. And now, actually, we are really rushing because it's really time for the boat to go again to Siquijor. But it happened that it was also delayed, and now we are going to wait for the boat. And yes, we are now in the waiting area. And the security, so it's here. Exciting! So, how do you like it?
Wat gaan we Dumaguete wanneer eten? We gaan vanavond Dumag eten.
Dumaguete. Okay. Dumaguete.
Ja. Wil je ook wat Dumaguete?
So now we are sitting in the waiting area. We will also wait for the announcement. And yeah, we were all we are now going to we were briefly told by our driver, the shuttle driver, that in arriving in the port area in Siquijor, what did he say? We will find a porter. Also, we will be having a driver again to the hotel to bring us there from the port. Yeah. Yes, so this is our documents. Nothing to pay anymore. It's all good. It's all fixed. And it's a good thing. We don't have to worry anything. So it will be exciting. I'm excited.
Yes, baby.
And these boys are excited. Are you all excited?
Come on.
Ay, nako. Yes. Good. Maybe this is already the boat of Nit. Noknita. Ocean Jet. Ayan. At nandito na ang ating bangka. Pasok, Mabex. Ambulance. Laki guys ng ating ferry boat. Ferry boat ba ito mahal? Is it ferry boat? No,
It's a ferry, but not a roll-on, roll-off.
Ah, yeah. It's not a roll-on, roll-off. So, it's a ferry boat. Ito siya. Saan ka? Ay, ikaw pala. Gusto mo, di ba?
Oh my God, that's the captain.
Captain? Captain? Yan. Dito na tayo, guys. Sasakay na tayo sa ferry boat. So, about 45 minutes pala yung ating travel time to Siquijor. What's the number? mahal. Chic. So. A. A, B. Here. Over here.
Oh, look a big
Ano sabi mo?
yard. Sige ha.
We are in Sikihor.
Papa, we zijn in Sikihor.
Where's Kuya? We have to look for our name. And I think someone get. I think there's a porter, mahal. There's a porter.
They will send it there.
I don't know exactly, but we have to check. We will get it. Kunin namin kuya o may magdadala doon. Ha?
1, 2, 3, 4.
O yung plain tag namin. Tama. Tama. Okay. Okay. Ken. Pialas.
Yes.
Ha? Dito. Careful. Ay. Laro talaga dito. Ha? I-zipper mo to. Naglalaro. Can you zipper it? Baby. Yeah. Thank you. Ayan, guys. So, check lang natin yung ating pangalan kasi may kukuha na naman sa atin yung shuttle ng hotel na pag-i-stayan natin. So, ayan. Yan na yung ating sinakyan. Sabi ni Mavix, welcome to Sikihor. Wala, sige. Sabi may porter, wala naman. Kami pala yung porter ng aming bagahe. I thought there was a porter. I think we are the porter ourselves. Anyway, not bad. It's okay. Yeah, actually yes, that's actually the one who took the bag from the boat. I can smell sea. You see your name, Mavix? Hello, kami ito. Coco Beach. Coco Grove Beach. Hello, magandang gabi.
Did you make a photo of that nice?
It's okay.
Hey, picture photo.
Ay,
Yeah.
Sige, sige. Hi, finally, we are in the resort. Nice. Beautiful. So moy. Finig moy. I can smell the isda. Good evening. Hi, this is our room. Nice. Toilet and bathroom. Wow. Look at this.